Hello my friends, welcome to back my YouTube channel. I am Lucky. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a pumpkin curry. Especially in this October, some people celebrate Halloween, so let's make it and enjoy it together. I hope you guys like it. Making a delicious pumpkin curry. I use 500 grams pumpkin, about 1-inch cube. Also sliced onion, lemongrass, 4 bulbs of garlic, cardamom, cinnamon, chili. Also I use plain water, 1 cup of plain water and 1 cup of thick coconut milk. I have a homemade curry powder, chili flakes, pepper, turmeric, dill seeds, mustard seeds. I use coconut oil. Finally, salt. So my friends, whatever we do in our life, so we have to enjoy. That's why I call my YouTube channel The Moment with Lucky. I always try to enjoy my life with little moments by moments. So this is the part of our journey. So let's make it and happen together. So firstly, I need to heat this pan. Let's do it. Yes. Firstly, I use coconut oil. Then I use chopped garlic with cardamom and lemongrass. Fry it. Nice smelling. Allicin. The garlic has a chemical called allicin. Actually, this garlic made by me, my garden this summer. I plucked it. Oh, very nice smell. And also I use half of slice of onion. I need a half for later. Let's make it golden color. I add mustard seed, and dill seeds, a little bit. Turmeric, stir it. I use chili flakes as well. basically when we make curry like a pumpkin, lentil, we use always medium heat. Guys, this is so spicy. Guys, this is kind of like a golden color onion. You can see now. So what can I do? I make it separate because I use it finally. I did like a topping. It's colorful, isn't it? So I use it separately. And also again, so the same pan. Then I use again half of remaining onion, chopped garlic, cinnamon, heat up. So I'm going to add my main ingredient, pumpkin cubes. So after adding my pumpkin cubes, I use plain water to boil it. It's about 20 minutes boiling, so I need to close the lid as well. Pumpkin became soft like this. Then I'm going to add salt. So I added curry powder, about 2 teaspoons. Oh, it smells good. So what I can do, this is my thick coconut milk. I'm going to add it this way. So when you add coconut milk, you have to stir softly. So my friends, we came for our final part. I'm going to add, did you remember I fried like onion? So I'm going to add this one, like this way. Look at the color. Oh, looking great, so tasty. So I need little bit pepper. So it's up to you, so you guys can add or not, it's up to you. So I'm going to add it, no big deal. So my friends, Finally, I made it. This is a pumpkin curry. I made it for you guys. It's packed with vitamins, especially vitamin A and C. It's great for our immune system and skin health, and it has a fiber and good amount of potassiums. So, especially for, I recommend weight management people because this is a low calorie foods, especially yellow color. So it's great. Try to consume. Recommend that. So, and also finally, I need to say this is good for our eyesight. So eye health as well. So if you have a chance, make it, eat it, stay healthy, and thank you guys. I'm going to see you the other side. So next videos. Thank you very much.